I picked a bunch of cucumbers today, and so I'm going back to my 1971 Betty Crocker's cookbook to make cucumber salad. Of all the cucumber salad recipes I've tried, this is my favorite. Instead of mayonnaise or oil and vinegar, it has sour cream. So in this bowl I have 8 cups of thinly sliced, it says thinly sliced pared cucumbers. It says about 4 medium, but most of mine were smaller than that, so it took more than that, more than 4, definitely. Anyway, I measured it, it's 8 cups of thinly sliced pared cucumbers. And then we put that into a large bowl and then mix 1.5 cups of sour cream and a small clove of garlic crushed, but I don't like getting a big clump of garlic in my mouth, so I'm going to use the garlic mincer. Okay, got my garlic in there. So now we need 2 tablespoons of salad oil. I'm going to get a little whisk thing, maybe that will work better. Mix that oil in there better. Whoops, daisy. Splashed a little. Okay. Two teaspoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar. And then a 1/2 teaspoon of dill, but we don't add that yet. So we'll mix these together. Oh, all my salt didn't go in there. This is Redmond's real salt. This has a pink hue to it. Okay, so we pour that over the top of the cucumbers. I gotta get a little bit larger spatula. And the name of this recipe is Dilly Cucumber Salad. So now it says to sprinkle dill weed, cover, and refrigerate at least 1 hour. Occasionally I will also slice up a very small onion. So now I have to take my ½ teaspoon of dill weed, and this is the dill weed that I freeze dried from my garden. So when it absorbs any moisture, it tastes just like the fresh. Okay. Okay, I'll get some plastic wrap and cover this up, and then I will put it in the refrigerator to marinate. And so before I serve it, I will mix it lightly and then show you the results on the plate. I served this dilly cucumber salad with sirloin tips from another cookbook called All in the Family Cookbook that I will be posting soon. Both recipes are very good, and I hope you will try them out. Goodbye for now.